Hey, it's Gina with WTI. I'm always looking for ways to reduce waste around the home, and I was so delighted to find these beeswax wraps from Natissy. Of course, the first thing I love about them is that they are reusable. Just think of them as a substitute for any kind of plastic wrap you might use or even sandwich bags. I also just used it to wrap up different vegetables or to use a container like the mushrooms came in that needed a new covering on it so I could put it in the fridge. And everything stayed really nice and fresh. I was especially impressed because I wrapped an onion in one of them and that smell did not retain in the beeswax wrap. They're very easy to clean. I just used a couple drops of a natural dish soap and then wiped them down with a rag, rinsed them in lukewarm to cool water, and then put them in my dish drying rack to dry. After a couple hours, they were basically dry. I just dabbed one or two of them with a towel, and then they were ready to fold back up and put inside the little tube they came in. That's one thing that I really love about this company because everything that they sent, including the tube, is all reusable. The wraps come in baking paper, and you're gonna use that along with the enclosed wax bar in order to repair cracks. And lastly, the designs are so cute. I got the one that features bees and I just love it, but there are other designs that they have as well. I think these beeswax wraps from Natissy just fit in perfectly with what I'm trying to do, which is to reduce waste and reuse as much as possible. And that's my point of view.